I'll tell you, I absolutely love this floor plan. It's simple, great price, well built. We are gonna put propane and a battery right there for you. You got a nice big pass-through storage area, well finished off. Solar on the roof. You got 200-watt solar on the roof with a 30-amp controller. You got this huge awning that goes almost the whole length of the camper, and it's got the color-changing LED lights on it. The flip-in ladder. We'll go in there in a minute and show you the rest of the outside. You see it's Wi-Fi prepped, JBL audio, solar on it. Like I said, you got a spot here to hook up the dog. Underneath, you can see it's got a spare tire. You could easily put a bike rack back here. We have the 2-inch receiver hitches that we sell. Backup camera ready, the roof ladder ready, and the ladder that hooks on here goes up past the roof about 18 inches or so, so it sits on an angle, easy to use. Your cable and satellite hookup right there. Stabilizer jacks all the way around, one slide. And then your black tank flush over here, your dump station. It's 30-amp service. And it's the other side of your pass-through storage. Your freshwater connection is right there. And you got a 12-volt kill switch. Like I say, we're going to put a Group 27 battery on this since it has solar. We're not going to put a little wimpy battery on there. 6-gallon DSI water heater. Now to the good part. Man, it just hits all my buttons. I love this floor plan. It's great for a couple. Power right there, chargers right there, USB chargers. It's got the reclining theater seats, storage under here, here, phone charger there, cup holder here, and on the other side, storage all along the top. Nice big U-shaped dinette, so that makes into a second really big bed. I mean, it's like a full-size bed right there when you drop it down. Spot under here for storage. Then turning around to the kitchen, you got a nice big 12-volt fridge, so they cool faster. They're bigger. They're less expensive than a gas electric. Gas electrics have gone through the roof for a price, and why would you not want all this space in here? I'm sure you saw the picture, but I mean, it's so much room. Definitely the way to go. That's also why with the solar and the bigger battery, you're not going to have to worry about that fridge dying. Plus the battery charges off your truck and everything like that. So right here, JBL audio, Bluetooth, all that good stuff. Thermostat, it's Wi-Fi ready. I can walk you through all that. HDMI, it's got your hookups for satellite. It's got the power button for the antenna on the roof. Storage, nice big sink, stainless steel appliances. You get the microwave, your range right there, storage underneath here even, storage there, and more storage under there. We're gonna walk into the bathroom now. Nice big bathroom with the stand-up shower. It's got the tub surround, fan up in there, foot flush toilet, more storage in the bathroom. What up? That was weird. Okay. Ducted AC, ducted heat throughout, queen bed in the front, hanging storage on each side. You got lights up underneath the shelf, and you got charging stations on both sides. And there's storage under the bed. There's your cord. So, what a great camper. Super price. Always no bull pricing of $28,997. What does that mean to you? That means you're not going to pay for freight and prep and all the stuff everybody else charges on top of the price. I mean, that could be $25 to $3,000 at some places. Instead, we give you the battery, we give you the propane, we give you a walkthrough. I mean, so easy to work with. You got charging stations, like I said, on each side of this couch. I am going to sit down. Look, it's even got storage. Okay, don't tell the boss, but I'm going to hang here for 5 minutes because this is a cool camper. Thank you.